no ita teku the sida to tokuya lisi ko nyo po chiru ko te ata pra ko ka luti da higinyo ko block ko akobinyo ta tebleno ke sa ta sinyo pelota ki kinyo to ba byo de ba dine ke yi akobinyo ta teto to ta kwa du si aska to oba fa but edo ko lu ta te bi te bu akobinyo ta eta gwi ta relo mulo ta hilo suma to ko do ko lu du de pa lui but edo tiloko buta du ta ya akobinyo ta muta ku ta thodu thoda du lo ya lo mati ma wo lo ta le tiloko bu but ta lo bani lo no ki te le ya to to ku ya lu si ko ta te ble mu ni ta mi ta tu lo pa ku ta no ha to ku lo pe yo ku do so te nu do atuma so ro ata pra ta pesu peso atiru ko te ata do so do ko mo phola le si si ki la ta tu tho ko tu le ti ko te ble ko tu le bedo ko tu le tumudo do ata pra atiru ko te do ata to ta to le no ka sada we ata sinyo pelo ta go le popwe sa le ta ma ba thwe ba khalo ta do ko pi ota pra atiru ko te ata to ata bleti de pha litiki ni lo piyota ma piyoko ma ta da we ni lo kunyota ma kunyoko ma ta da we ni lo no wi sa so ba uji ata ko to liti ta ko to ta pa lo su ko we ri de le akobinyo su ko we ta du so de le su ta mu ta ku ata ko to de ki su ko we ka ba o la pa su ku akobinyo su ko we ka mi la pa ko du ta go sa kunyoko ko ba ta tinya pa ba no o le po we akobinyo you know que sada ye ko bahi lo ye ta le po ni lo lui ko nyo abu to ko bata sinyo we ni lo akobinyo kinyo sinyo pelo sa keti ogo mi kinyo po khel ata mani lo nogi lui ko tu le tumudo mundata pita marpa to mita alo ta le ti kono ri ya de bi ko phola le ko to do ti ko akwa glikona to du mazukota phala ko omu mathedi soba uji do mathura de phala hiloti ata dumudo palote ti ata phita madapha akle tunu lok mal kwe do du thoniki ta dumudo pha khobinyo ni lo ki lok to sa adu adar phala ahemale okole pachi buko do ku su plosu bahoko ko pi pata phio ma o alokle pata sulo khokho pata thuta to pata nita pata khweta ya doma toro te pa ma ti ma wo bu kwa kli ti bu ko pho te pha le ko pasu la ko pasa di sa tro se ni ote te plu li ti li to go ni lo the ta te bli mi kwa la du ta bu de pha go lo lui ta te bli de mi ta ma ni o ko lo ba khu su ko tu le ti ko te bli se lo so ne da bo mya ko kho kle lo khata ko tu le so chagi pho ko kho khi lo khata ko tu le so de bi ta ko bo ko kho khi lo khata ko tu le so pho tu le ko kho kle lo khata ko tu le so de bi lo du ta do de ko to kho kle lo khata ko tu le tabu
Now in English, announcement letter from our government of Gothule, headquarters of Gothule. Government of Gothule, JOK is a foundation for political and governance principles. The formation of Gothule is grounded in clear principles defining its political destiny and governance structure. 1. The current political and governance foundation established in February 11, 1948. The foundation is built upon the following 4 principles. 1. The immediate granting of a current country is demanded. Independence and self-determination. This signifies independence without discrimination, asserting the fundamental right of the Korean people to determine their own political destiny. 2. Symbolized by the principle of Korean wancha, Burmese wancha, equality. Absolute equality is required, which strictly prohibits any form of discrimination. 3. A commitment to love and collaboration among all ethnic groups is essential. Ethnic harmony and cooperation. The objective is to avoid internal chaos and foster strong associations and working relationships with all ethnic groups. 4. A firm rejection of civil war and internal strife, peace and non-conflict. The goal is the establishment of peace and the prevention of internal conflict, civil war, and genocide. 2. Declaration of Independence Day, established January 5th, today, 1948. The establishment of Gothule is marked by the following Declaration of Independence. 1. Separation from dictatorial rule, a complete and definitive separation from the oppression and violence of the Burmese Tamadot dictatorship military regime. This separation is aimed at achieving total freedom from oppressive, politically motivated, and power-hungry rule. 2. Establishment of sovereign institutions. The foundation of the independent Gothule country, complete with its own Gothule government and Gothule army, is declared. All aspects of its governance, politics, and rule of law shall be determined solely by the political destiny of the Karen people. 3. Sovereign autonomy in governance. Complete autonomy from Burmese governance, politics, and laws is asserted. The Burmese will manage their own affairs, and the affairs of the Karen people shall be managed entirely by the Karen people. 3. Sabah Uji's 4 principles. These principles serve as a directive for the ongoing struggle and commitment to the establishment of the Karen country. 1. Surrender is out of the question. Rejection of surrender. Armed resistance shall not be compromised for the sake of peace. 2. We shall retain our arms. Retention of surrender. Our weapons are dedicated solely to the pursuit of our struggle. 3. The recognition of the Karen country must be completed. Complete recognition of the Karen nation. This demands total dedication and commitment from all. 4. We shall decide our own political destiny, upholding self-determination. The self-governance of the Karen people is the duty of all Karen individuals. 4. Mandate of the Gothule Army, KTLA. The Gothule Army is charged with the following responsibilities. 1. To pledge allegiance to the unified nation and flag, and to remain true to the country, its leaders, martyrs, and colleagues. The Army is committed to upholding and executing the foundational work and principles laid down by Sabah Uji and the martyrs who sacrificed their lives, thereby fulfilling the meaning of the struggle. 2. To decisively fight and defend the nation resolutely against all enemies seeking to expand their territories onto our land. This defense extends to the land we cultivate, our natural resources, our treasury, our heritage, and our rights, which the enemy attempts to seize through forced persecution and murder of the people under our governance. 3. Independence is reserved for those who dare to fight. 4. Freedom is not free. Together we are unified bravely for an independent Gothule, signed by our KTL President Sondada Bomya, Vice President Sochalipo, Vice President David Thakapor, Prime Minister Sopothule, and our Minister of Defense David Tu. Thank you, W.